Hey guys, so I'm trying something new where I am going to be talking to you guys in the morning in a little series called Mornings with Mona.
I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. Love you like crazy. Love you like crazy. Love you like crazy.
So, I was talking to my cousin previously, and I really want to stay more consistent with YouTube because I've seen over the past month that it has definitely been paying off. She suggested that I do like a Mornings with Mona. What I have planned for the day is hopefully the rain holds up, but the kids have been getting a little stir crazy, and I think that the backyard isn't cutting it anymore. They've been a handful lately. They haven't been really taking their naps. They just recently opened up the playground, so I figured why not head over and see if they could work out some of that energy, see if maybe the change of scenery will do them good. So that's basically what I'm hoping for. And also so that they could tire themselves out, so when it's nap time, there's no issue. For the past couple of days now, anytime I put them down for a nap, I have to keep going back and forth in their room. And like I mentioned in my bedtime video, I'm not about that life, okay? When it's bedtime, it's bedtime. When it's nap time, it's nap time. I honestly think it's just because they've been in the house. They're just seeing the same scenery over and over, whether it's the same four walls in the house or the same green grass and nothing else to play with in the backyard, and I really just think they're over it. I'm not really feeling 100% well, but you know, going outside could probably do me a world of good as well. Hubby's a little tired, but I told him that he can just drop us off, and then if he want to go back and take a nap, you know, he could do that while we're out with the kids. I'm pretty sure my grandma would love to come along with us to the park, so he'll have the house to himself. Thankfully, I already cooked yesterday, so I don't have to cook today, and yeah, that's pretty much what's on the agenda. I'm just going to do my skincare routine. Children.
Come on, children, let's go.
Come on, children, let's go. Who's the children?
Oh.
All of us? Okay.
You gotta be great.
That's right. That's right, Tubbs.
Where is it?
We're the children of God. Kaiden instructed us that we need to go for a walk.
Go to the middle, okay, guys?
Okay. So we're going to go on our semi-regular walk.
Come on. Come on, Mommy.
We try to do it a couple of times a week, so I guess today this will count as one of our walks for the week. And as they say in the Bible, a child shall lead the way. And here's Kaiden leading the way. But Kaiden, you're bringing us to the parking lot. We're in the parking lot now. We're going to the car?
We're not going in the car.
But that's the way we're going. That's the way you're leading us to.
Look, Mama and Daddy are catching up.
Yeah, we gotta wait for Grandma and Daddy. Look, they're all the way back there.
Now you can come on.
Now we can come on. What the hell? why you Kate, why you walking like that?
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
You know what you're doing? Okay, excuse me. Whoa! That was fun? Our new normal. Playground with a mask on. With Granny over here. Say hi.
Hi.
Let me see. Do it again.
Daddy, look at me.
Daddy, look at me. I don't think you're supposed to go up that way.
Okay.
Zuri, I don't think you're supposed to go up that way, Mama. Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo.
I'm fun.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
All right.
Not mine.
No? 1, 2, 3, go!
Not mine.
Okay.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, go!
No. Try that.
Yeah, come. Come, Mama, come. Come. You got it. You got it. Come on. Come on. You got. No? Okay. Oh, now you No, you
Mommy.
Keep going, baby. Keep going.
You got it. Come.
Come on, Zuri.
Get down. Get down. Let her come down.
Come, baby. Come down. Come down. Come down. Might as well. Just come down.
She's scared. I know it's.
Chloe.
We've only been looking. You did it, Mama. Yeah, you did.
Now, I'm playing.
Okay, bye-bye. It's fun?
Wee.
Wee.
It's fun.
Is this fun? Okay. Where are we going now? Which way?
That one.
That way? We gotta look where?
We can go in the forest, okay?
You gotta look
Well, Kaiden.
into the street. What are we supposed to do?
No cars.
Okay, so if there's no cars,
And you gotta hold somebody's hand.
yes.
We can go.
Kaiden. Which way are we going?
We going in the forest.
You want to go in the forest? Now you by yourself with that one.
Come on, guys. Let's go in the forest.
And team, my name is Mr. Freed, and I'm going to be your teacher today. And this is Miss Judy. She's also going to be your teacher today. Now, team, the most important thing that I can teach you about martial arts is respect. Let me hear everyone say respect.
Respect.
Awesome. And the number one way we show respect is with good eye contact. Good eye contact is super important. So see how everyone's looking at my eyes right now? That's the number one way we show respect. Now, the second way we show respect is with good manners. We never say things like, yeah, or uh-huh. We always say things like, yes, sir, and no, sir. So I want everyone to look in my eyes right now and say, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. All right. Nice, Kaiden. 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Excellent. Seconds. 9, 8, 7. I see Caleb and Skylar kicking. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Excellent job, team. Asta, go! Asta, go! Asta! Excellent. We're gonna practice this.
How did you like karate today?
I feel good.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Would you do it again?
No,
Why not?
I can't.
Why can't you do karate again?
When I'm too hot to do the karate.
You're too hot to do karate?
Yeah, when I do the karate, my head is sweating.
So that means you should keep doing it because it's a good workout. No?
But what does that mean?
A workout is you exercising. Okay?
My exercising is jumping and swinging around and kick.
Okay, so but not karate?
Yeah, what is jump, spin, kick?
Let me see you spin. Spin.
What is jump, spin,
Wow.
kick?
Oh, wow.
Daddy, you want to hear karate? What is?
Kaiden. Yes, that's what we learned in karate today. Can you do it again?
Yeah, Daddy want it.
What else did you learn in karate today?
I don't know.
Oh, but you at least you remembered something. All right, hope you guys enjoyed our little adventure today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload from us. And until next time, we'll see you later.